Okay.
Alright, we are on a quest. A mission, if you will, to find out what wazoo means. Deanna just said something about a wazoo, and we are determined to come to the answer of it. So we're going to go to Urban Dictionary and find out. You see this?
Barely.
Okay.
That good, huh?
That good. Alrighty. Wazoo.
You want to keep it down?
Noun. Meaning anus. Up the wazoo. Literally meaning up one's
What was that?
Up one's trap door.
Is there more?
And scene. Can also mean in excess or plentiful supply of. The the definition that they gave, or the sentence that comes alongside it. That guy can't be our store Santa. He's got child molestation convictions up the wazoo. That's not in bad taste. I don't know what is. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is what a wazoo is.
So think
Until
twice.
next time. So think twice before you say you have something up the wazoo. It could be painful.